Today we'll be doing things. Okay, last time it says click on this because let's do the black hole. And next is the black hole. Accurately back the black hole. And use the background. And then the ground, or maybe the house. Near Mars. I made it. Mars. This is an angel. I feel this my sister. Hello there. And this is a baby. And this is a baller. Baller. This is green. You need big boxes. You need big ones. You need a business now. The color use. Let's put this. You need a brain. And there's no. And there's a butter. And there's cake juice. There's a castle. And there's cooking. And there's a cup. And there's color juice. And there's garbage. And then it looks like Explode Superman.
Ang ganda ng product na to, like hindi mo talaga masisisi. Medyo pricey kapag hindi tayo bibili. Pero kapag dito sa TikTok, abay, afford mo lang to te. Ito yung tipong product na hindi mo pagsisisihan. Maganda na rin yung quality. Kaya masasabi ko talagang worth it yung dito kapag ito yung product na nabibili mo.
There's every new skin. The color, the woman, we got.
Ito yung mahirap kapag
We got potato, cactus, and corn, and apple, and pumpkin, and melon. So this is the evil man. Eyeball.
Hello guys, magandang gabi. So ito nga po pala yung ganap namin kanina. Since hindi natuloy yung surgery ni Rob,
Okay, you feel it. Let's see.
Ayokong mababad na naman sila sa TV or gadget today.
Fireball.
Kasi ayokong mababad
Fire.
na naman sila sa TV or gadget today. Since wala naman akong gagawin pa, tomorrow na lang yung ibang mga gagawin ko.
It's a fire.
So, kami muna ng apat.
Then red eyes. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Right.
Sa palitan na muli
The forest,
sa Senado.
but only one spawner. And then it goes. Look at this. Ta-da! Look at this. An angel. That's on. There's a half. There's a half skeleton melon. There's a heart.
1, 2, 3. Ma,
Dug dug. Dug dug. Dug dug. Good hungry dog. Get some juice. Is right there? Yes. What's this? Okay, we got it. Hurry again. Hey Daddy, it's my favorite YouTuber. And this jelly. And this remember. I didn't even want it. And this consists. And this kid. And this guy. I wanna. And I know I didn't say it. Thank you so much.
ay, dahil mabalik mo na kayo na. Balik ko siya.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Iba
Tingnan.
naman na lahat kasi ng relationship mo.
And there's a laser.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin na magiging pangit na talaga yung love story mo. Pwedeng hindi lang talaga kayo yung magiging
Cool.
end game or ano.
You say,
Ilang kayo
hey,
talaga
nice.
yung magiging
What is it?
final chapter ng isa't isa. Pwede yun na. Ano yung sulay? Dana, sulay ka na?
Next we have light. Next we have lights. And here's lungs. This is my little. This little killer. In the back. This money. Hi, Mom. There's the monsters. There's the moon. This one. And four ones. And there's my dad. Okay. And this is my house. It looks kind of sharp. Like the nose skin apple. The floor. Okay, you see the door. And there's my mom. Oh my God. It's kind of like in the show. Look at my feet. Oh my. And here got the dog guy. You can see that the oyster skin.
So may mga bagay
Earthing
na
those.
gusto niyang ma-realize mo.
Okay, you can do.
It's about your
Do. Not moving more.
gusto niya na mag-heal.
Guys, look at this. It's not freezing. This oil. This people.
Hindi kayo na tayo.
I don't know what's better. There's just this book. And there's purple.
Kasi gusto niya na
Take a random. You just do this.
Ayaw mo na door.
Okay. Because this prevents apple and there's a rock. Which is good for like and I guess school.
Lagyan na ako naman. Oh,
This this spaceman. Look at that. And then spin ahead. Ta-da! Spinning head. This strong. Wait, I mean spooky. Spooky. Melon. Squeaky. Strong man. Looks big. This is Survival Man. Actually, Survival Man. Anyways, this is a challenge. Looks kind of big. And then survivors. Your leg. What happened to your leg? This toilet. And this is tooth. This is tower and this is trophy. This is tongue and this is C. I used to change my character a lot of times ago.
Actually, pwedeng pagiging having more than enough yan. Alam mo yan, yung ganun.
Bye bye.